Hello students, good evening. Today I am here with the next video on indirect speech. We shall learn about the second types of sentences in indirect speech and how to convert it from direct to indirect. In the previous three videos, I had told you about how to convert a direct speech, how to convert a declarative sentence from direct speech into indirect speech, and we shall learn about converting an imperative sentence from direct to indirect in this video. So I had already taught you about types of sentences. There are 4 types of simple sentences, that is declarative, interrogative, imperative and exclamatory sentences. In the previous videos we learned about converting a declarative sentence into indirect speech. In this video we will learn about converting an imperative sentence into indirect speech. So we shall first learn about what is an imperative sentence. Imperative sentence is a sentence which suggests some of the request, command, order, warning, suggestion, advice to the speaker. These are some of the sentences which refers to order, command, request, suggestion, warning. So in these sentences you will know about what an order has been given, or what a suggestion has been given, or what an advice has been given to the speaker, given by the speaker to others. So these are imperative sentences. For example, shut the door, please shut the door, repair the door by tomorrow. These are some of the examples of imperative sentences. We put exclamatory mark or full stop at the end of imperative sentences. So we shall learn about converting into indirect speech. For example, we shall see a sentence of order. The teacher said, shut the door. This is one sentence in direct speech. The teacher said, shut the door. The indirect speech sentence will be, the teacher ordered the students to shut the door. We will omit the inverted commas, we will skip the inverted commas, and the sentence will be turned into a declarative sentence. Then we shall see a sentence of request. He said to me, please shut the door. This is one sentence referring to request. He said to me, please shut the door. Then we shall convert into indirect speech. He requested me to shut the door. He requested me to shut the door. You need to change the reporting verb into words expressing request, words expressing command, words expressing order, words expressing advice according to the sentence. You will change the reporting verb according to the sense of the sentence. सेंटेंस का जो मीनिंग समझा रहा होगा उसी हिसाब से हमें रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब को चेंज करना है. आई हैड ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू व्हाट इज रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब. The reporting verb expresses the sense in the imperative sentences. So the next sentence we shall see the example. The sentence is of advice. He said to me, you should work hard to pass the examination. He said to me, you should work hard to pass the examination. You should work hard to pass the examination shall be in inverted commas, and the indirect sentence of this sentence will be, indirect speech sentence will be, he advised me to work hard to pass the examination. He advised me to work hard to pass the examination, or you can write, he advised me that I should work hard to pass the examination. He advised me to he advised me that I should work hard to pass the examination. Then we shall see one example of forbade. Forbade means when we are telling someone not to do something which is very bad, which is a very bad behavior, which is a very bad habit, and we are telling him to not to do that. So this is forbade. We shall see one sentence of forbade. He said to me not to smoke. This is the sentence of forbidding. Forbade, forbade. He said to me not to smoke. Then the imperative is the indirect speech sentence will be he forbade me to smoke. He forbade me to smoke. Then we shall see one sentence of urge. He said to me, mind your own business. This is one sentence of urging. He said to me, mind your own business. Then we shall convert it into indirect speech. He urged me to mind my own business. He urged me to mind my own business. This will be in indirect speech. Then the sentence of suggestion. The sentence expressing suggestion in imperative sentence. We shall see the indirect speech here. He said to me, consult a doctor. Consult a doctor will be in inverted comma. He said to me, consult a doctor. Then the indirect speech sentence will be, he suggested me to consult a doctor. He suggested me to consult a doctor. So dear students, these are some of the examples showing how you will convert a sentence that is in imperative to one sentence that is in indirect speech. So these are the sentences which refers to command, order, request, suggestion, advice, urge, forbidding, warning, and in this way you shall convert it into indirect speech. Okay, the chapter indirect speech ends here. We shall continue in the next video with some new chapter. Till then, bye. Take care.